7 Keto Low-Carb Dessert Ideas. 1 Keto Chocolate Avocado Pudding. Blend ripe avocado, unsweetened cocoa powder, a low-carb sweetener, and a dash of vanilla extract for a rich and creamy chocolate pudding. Cheesecake bites. Mix cream cheese, almond flour, a keto-friendly sweetener, and vanilla extract. Form into bite-sized balls, chill, and optionally roll in crushed nuts or cocoa powder. Coconut flour chocolate mug cake. Combine coconut flour, cocoa powder, an egg, coconut oil, and a keto sweetener in a mug. Microwave for a quick and satisfying chocolate cake. Keto berry parfait. Layer sugar-free Greek yogurt, mixed berries, and a sprinkle of crushed nuts for a refreshing and colorful dessert parfait. Peanut butter chocolate fat bombs. Mix together natural peanut butter, melted coconut oil, cocoa powder, and a keto sweetener. Pour into molds, freeze, and enjoy these energy-boosting treats. Keto lemon bars. Create a lemony crust using almond flour and butter, then top with a zesty lemon filling made from eggs, lemon juice, and a low-carb sweetener. Strawberry almond chia pudding. Combine chia seeds, almond milk, sliced strawberries, and a keto sweetener. Let it sit until the chia seeds expand, creating a delightful pudding. Thanks for tuning in to our quick and tasty keto journey. If you enjoyed these tips and recipes, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more keto goodness, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a bite. Remember, embracing the keto lifestyle is all about enjoying flavorful, low-carb meals that support your health and fitness goals. See you in the next video.